Okay guys, in today's video I found a new way and the free unlimited way you can actually use SORA2 to create amazing and super realistic videos for your stories. That's for your African folktale, for your AI movie, or for your animated stories. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys the easiest way and the fastest way you can actually access SORA2.
First is to open your Chrome browser. So once you open your Chrome browser, you search for this AI called Digen AI. So once you search for Digen AI, make sure you tap on the first link showing up on your Chrome browser. So once you tap on the first link showing up on your Chrome browser, it's going to take you into the interface. That's the main account of this Digen AI. So from this Digen AI, you can now access everything you want to do with your SORA tool. So to do that, first click on this create. Now, if you notice before you do anything here, make sure you create an account with this particular AI. And once you create an account, they will give you free 300 credit. And on a daily basis, I think this website gives, 200 or thereabout credit for free. Do you understand? And all these credits are the credit you can actually be using to create anything you want to create inside this Digen AI. So once you tap on this create button, it's going to take you to another place where you can actually use what SORA2 and Nano Banana for free. So do you see this place that has that free stuff on top of your phone screen? This is the SORA2 that I'm talking about. This place you are seeing free on top of my phone screen beside that banana icon. Unlimited SORA2. So what you need to do here now is there's this place that says, well, type your idea here to convert it to video. So this is where you need to put your prompt. Then after you've inserted your prompt, you can actually use image, then convert it to video using the plus icon to do that. Then this is where to change your aspect ratio from either 10 to 15 seconds. You can choose any one you like. For me, I prefer using 15 seconds. Then after that, let me paste a random prompt here and then hit on create. Once you hit on create, this is going to convert the text to a super realistic video for you. Okay, now, so as you can see, I have pasted my prompt on this SORA. The next thing you need to do is to tap on this star. So once you tap on this star, then S2 will start with the video generation for you. So as you can see, it's rotating already. So all you need to do is just to exercise patience. Then once this video is ready, you are going to see it here. Can you see it's writing generating? And then you will definitely get an amazing result through Digen to access your SORA2. So this is just the easiest way you can actually do it without paying. Yes, without paying that. So if you find value from this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications and like this video and share this video. Catch you guys on my next tutorial video.